It was obviously very important. You know, sitting in 8th, we knew the only result that we had to get was a win. We dealt with that, and I think we've ended up with the bonus point. So you know, that helps. That helps. You know what I mean? So you know, the answer is very important.
What changed at half time?
I think we stopped feeling a bit sorry for ourselves. I thought some of our efforts were poor, like getting up off the ground and stuff. And we had a word at half time, and we said we could either let the pressure get to us or we could walk tall into, you know, what was a defining 40 minutes for us. And I thought we did that.
Was there much pressure?
There's a whole lot of pressure, kid, when it comes to this. You know, you see the support we have, the pressure that comes with that, the expectations. You know, we don't want to be finishing 8th in a competition. We want to be competing, and you know, this gives us a chance now.
And we're just talking about some of the crossfield kicks there and the challenge from Nash. You got great change out of that. Is that something that you talked about at half time?
We talked about playing a bit more field position, but you know, when you have someone like Calvin, you know, Taki on the wing, they give you a width that stretches defences, and they got a bit narrow at times. We spoke about playing a bit more in their half, but to be fair to Jack, you know, he had the balls to stick it across to them, and we got a bit of momentum from that. We scored our maul this week, was really important, both sides of the ball. Our line-out functioned really well tonight. We didn't get many, but I'd say our stats are very good, and it makes a big difference when it is that way.
Peter, the physicality they brought to it in the first half, did they surprise you that they kept it going for all on nearly 80 minutes, Peter?
Oh, it didn't surprise me. I mean, that's the bones of the Italian team. They play, you know, an incredibly impressive brand of rugby, and you know, when you're playing together that long, you know, across both competitions, in lots of competitions, you know, you see what the way they're going now with. Jesus, wept. It's my mother, yeah.
I think the Taoiseach was taking a photo as well.
Yeah. You know,
how special is that? Sorry.
That's great. It's great. It's great to have my family here. You know, there's about 20 of my school friends down there.
Kids are here as well beside us.
Kids were here. I was picking my young fella up from school, and I met Dave O'Brien, who was playing in Con when I was following Con, and he said there was 20 of his buddies going, and you know, it's great to have support like this. And you know, it's great to be able to play him with that kind of a performance, certainly in the second half.
You'll miss it.
I will miss it, yeah. Big time.
Peter, if you had a choice of what's left, who do you want?
Okay. If you would ask me, I couldn't care less. I just want to be in competing. You know what I mean?
We're going to have to let you go.
Good luck, sound lads.
Peter O'Mahony.